Hi all, this is Purnima Devi, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering in SNS College of Technology. So now I discuss about what is data visualization and why we are using the data visualization in our industry, some other organization. So the data visualization is a process which is used to uh, visualize the raw data which we are gathered from the structured information that we use the structured data, that is structured data means rows and columns. So more number of data we can store using rows and columns. So these data can be visualized using data visualization tools. So first one, why we visualize the data? So first thing is it is a fast processing. So while we are understanding the visual data faster than 60,000 times faster than the text. So using the text we cannot understand what information can be derived from the particular structured data to the audience, but it will be in visual forms. The audience can easily understand. So the next one is pattern recognition. So we use more number of outliers and hidden patterns to visual the data. So the next is informed decisions. So while using this data visualization, we have to visualize the data. So based on the visualization, we have to the particular audience have made decision based on these visual documents. So the next is insightful examples. So we have used different visuals to the audience what we have to extracted from the structured data. So the next one is what are all the common types we used. So common types is bar chart, line charts, pie chart and scatter plots. So the bar chart is mainly used to compare the categories. So the line chart is so what shows the trends, and the pie chart is used for the percentage. So where the more number of documents or some more number of populations, so that time we use pie chart. The scatter plot, so scatter plots used to represent the relationship. So these are all the common chart types we are using. So these are all the visual elements. So we have more number of visual elements. Based on the organization and based on the data, we use the visual elements. So some of the organization use only the bar charts, or some other use pie charts. So based on the organization and the information we have extracted, so we use the visual elements. The next one is why it is effective. So the main reason for using the data visualization is it have the clarity of our data. So we have easily understand the values. So in this graph we have easily understand the growth of some particular data which we have derived. So the main effective principle is it is a very clarity. So use a simple and we can easily understand to the audience. The next one is accuracy. So the accuracy is we have extracted data from the structured data. So what data we have to be gathered from the rows and columns, so it can be represented in a visual format. It can be accurately matched to the particular data. So the next one is it is very efficient and it can quickly understandable and also an effective one of the element. The next one is we have visually appealing the designs what we are used. So these are all the process we have to effectively use in this data visualization. So using the data visualization, we have to extract the information from the structured and visual the document. This can be very useful to the particular audience which have to understand based on the information. So the audience can be either an knowledgeable to the particular data, or they have no information, or there is no knowledge about the particular data which we have to be visualized. So the audience have, there is no knowledge about it, about that. We have to give the information in a structured format. They have need more time to understand what we have to deliver about the information which we have. So if we have to uh, represent the document using this visual elements, that is either a bar chart or by chart, so the person can easily understand what we have to inform to the audience. So that is the main purpose we are using it. So some best practice in visualization documents is we use more number of colors to differentiate the documents. We use many colors to differentiate it, and we have used more number of fonts, and we have to be add labels which we have to be represented in that particular process. So these are all the designs, and why we are using these data visualization is it is a very narrative and a storyteller. So we have to be, what we have to inform to the particular audience, it can be simply in a visual format. So it can be either text or some other structured information. It cannot be understand to the audience also. So if it is a visual document, we have to easily get the decision making based on the documents. So the conclusion of our data visualization is we can gather the data from raw data, and we can visual the documents, and it can be easily understood by the audience, and it is very a decision making process. And we have used more number of practice regarding this process. So thank you all.